Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. CBI names Essar in 2G charge sheet. Industrial output plunges in October. And the rupee falls to a new low. We start with the 2G scandal, which saw its third charge sheet being filed on Monday. The CBI booked Ravi Ruia, the vice chairman of Essar, along with Anshuman Ruia, who is the director. Others booked include Kiran Khaitan, who is the sister of Essar's promoters, and her husband IP Khaitan. The fifth person named is Vikas Saraf of the Essar group. Together, they charged with violating Clause 8 of the Universal Access Service License Guidelines. And there's bad news on the economy. India's industrial output has fallen for the first time since the Lehman Brothers collapse. New figures show the index of industrial production plunged 5.1% in October. The numbers were far worse than most expectations, and they came just after the Finance Ministry cut its growth forecast for the fiscal year to a range of 7.25 to 7.75%. The fall in the IIP could also be a sign that the Reserve Bank's rate hikes have taken a toll on growth. RBI has increased rates 13 times since March of last year, totaling 3.75 percentage points of hikes. Most sectors under the IIP contracted during October. Manufacturing, which has a weightage of 3/4 on the index, fell 6%, and mining dropped 7.2% during the month. Capital goods saw a severe 25.5% contraction, but electricity grew a full 5.6% in October. And the bad news doesn't end with industrial output. India's currency fell to a new low on Monday, with investors reacting to the poor IIP data. The rupee slid during trade to 52.77 against the dollar. Through 2011, the rupee has been the worst performing currency in Asia, falling 17% so far. And finally, Indian markets plummeted on Monday, with investors taking cover after the worse than expected IIP figures. The Sensex tumbled 343 points to 15,870 and the Nifty lost 102 to 4,765. Shares across sector lost ground during trade. RIL, which is India's biggest company and a Sensex heavyweight, dropped 3.65% to 728, and the country's biggest bank SBI fell 4.87% to 1,773. Among market leaders from other sectors, auto giant Maruti retreated 2.78% to 958. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.